Everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So when you need to deactivate your account, not permanently, but for some time, maybe you need a break, you can temporarily deactivate it and you can easily access it when you want to. So basically, firstly, go to the Instagram, go to your profile page. At the rightmost corner, you can see there is three lines. Click on it. At the top, there's account center where there's password, security, personal detail, and preferences. Click on it. You can see there's lots of things, but just go to the personal details right over here in the account settings portion. Click on the personal details. You can see there is a contact info, date of birth, account ownership, and control. Go to the account ownership and control. You can see there's a deactivation or deletion. So you can permanently delete your account or you can just temporarily deactivate it. So our goal is to temporarily deactivate it. So click on it, go to your Instagram, choose deactivate your account. So this will temporarily deactivate it. Continue, put your password, and you can click continue after this. This is how you can deactivate it temporarily. So it's very simple, and you can, if you want to use your account again, you can undeactivate it by just logging in again. So this is how it works. Thank you so much, and I hope you found it useful.